find numbers, or sorry, how to find factors of a number. How to find out the factors of a number. All the factors. How to find all the factors. A number may have a certain number of factors. Okay. So how to find out the factors? It's very simple to find out the multiples, but to find the factors is a bit difficult. So I'm going to teach you find factors. Find factors of numbers. Okay, find factors of numbers. Number one. So to find factors, there are many methods. Okay, there are many methods to find factors. So before teaching this, before coming to this topic, find factors of a number, I just want to teach you how can we do the process of division orally. Okay, just you see here 12. Very simple. If you have to divide 12, it is divisible by 2. Okay, so how to divide 12 by 2? Okay, orally. So very simple. 2 by 2, 12 can be divisible, divided 6 times. Times you have to write down. Okay, quotient you have to write down. Got my point? So this is called the oral division. Oral division means you, without doing the divisional process, without doing any other process, you have to divide it orally in this way. Another I just want to tell you, 2 by 2. Okay, 1, 3, 6. Suppose you have to divide this. 1, 3, 6 by 2. How to divide? So you just see here, what is this? 2. Okay, it is one digit number. So try to divide one digit only first. Okay, so by 2, if you divide 1, 1 is smaller than 2, so 1 cannot be divisible by 2. So what you have to take? You have to take 2 digit as now dividend. Okay, you have to take 2 digit as dividend. Now you are taking 13 as dividend. Now by 2 you have to divide 13. Now you read the table of 2. In how many times 13 comes? If 13 not comes, then very nearest to 13. Okay, you have to go very nearest to 13. So 2 6 are 12, 2 7 are 14. So if you divide 7 times, it will be 14. So you cannot divide 13 7 times. Got my point? You can divide 13 as a simple division. How many times you can divide? Only 6 times. Times you have to write it. You can divide 13 how many times? 6 times. 2 6 are 12. Now from 13 you have to orally you have to subtract 12. From 13 if you subtract, you have 2 6 are 12. This 12 should be subtracted from 13. If you subtract 12 from 13, what will you get? 1. What remainder you will get? 1. That remainder will be carried here. And if you orally, you have to think, everything you have to think in mind. If you carry 1 here, then this 6 is already here. If you carry 1, it will become now 16. It will become now 16. How much it will become? Because you have carried 1 here, so it will be 16. This 16 will be divided by 2, 8 times 2 8 is 16. Got my point? This is how we divide any number orally. One more example. Suppose this is 5. Okay? This is 5. Let me divide 5. 215. How to divide 215 by 5? Orally. So, by 5 if you have to divide 21, first it is one digit. Always try to divide one digit. So by 5, 2 cannot be divisible. Okay, because it is a smaller number. So you have to take 2 digit as dividend now. Okay, you have to take 2 digit as dividend. Now by 5, if you divide 21, how many times you can divide? 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25. So 5 4s are 24 times you can divide. How many times? Only 4 times. If you do 5 times, it will come more than 21. So you cannot do 5 times. You have to do 4 times. So in 4 times, how much it becomes? 5 4s are 20. It becomes 20. Now that 20 you have to subtract from 21 orally. In your mind you have to subtract. From 21 if you subtract 20, it will come how much? 1. That 1 will be carried here and it will become again now 15. Got my point? So 5 is already here. From 21 if you subtract 20, 1 will come, that one will be carried here. It will not be visible, 1 will not be visible here, but you have to think there is now that one carried here. Okay, so it becomes now 15, 5, 3s are 15. Okay, this is how we do the oral division. Okay, now based on this, we will do some method which will help you to find the factors of any number. Got my point? So the method which I am going to find the factors of any number, there are two methods. One is tree method, another is factorization method. Okay, so factorization, to find factors. Okay, to find factors, there are two methods. One is factorization method, another is tree method. Okay, another is tree method. Okay, factorization method and tree method. So I am going to teach you factorization method first, and factorization method will help you to find prime factors as well as all factors. Okay, how to do, you see here. Question number 1. Okay, suppose it is 12. Very simple number I have taken, very simple and very ordinary number, 12. If you have to find the factors of 12, what to do? You simply divide 12. As I have already discussed about the divisibility rules, that first of all you always try to, as you are doing by factorization method, so you have to always divide prime factorization method. It is called prime factorization method. Okay, not only simply prime factorization, it is prime factorization. So the number must be tried by prime numbers. Okay, you must try to divide by prime number. Don't try to divide by composite numbers. So let me divide by 2. Whether it will be divisible by 2 or not, just to check this, you see, once digit is 2, even number, so 12 will be divisible by 2. So let me divide 12 by 2. Okay, by 2 if you divide 12, how many times? 6 times. Okay, 2, 6 are 12. Again, this question again will be divided. Again 6 we have to divide by, again 2, 2 3s are 6. Okay, again divide 3, unless you get 1 as the last quotient, keep on dividing. Okay, by 3, 3 1s are 3. Now the process of division is over. Got my point? Now these are the prime factors of 12. So you can write, therefore prime factors of 12 is 1 multiply 2, you can start from here, you can write 1 at the last, no problem. 2 multiply 3 multiply 3. You don't need to write 1 because 1 is the factor of all the numbers, so no need to write 1. You simply, 1 is not the prime factors. And one more thing, that 1 is not the prime factor. 1 is the factor but is not the prime factor. So you have to write only the prime factor. 2 3 3. Okay, 2 multiply 3 multiply 3. These are the prime factors of 12. Now, okay, these are only the prime factors. But 12 has many factors. 12 has many factors. How to find all the factors of 12? How to find all the factors of 12? Very simple. Now, therefore, all factors of 12. How to find all the factors of 12? So, if you have to find all the factor means prime factors, composite factors, all factors. Okay? Factors can be composite also, factors can be prime also. Here, the process which I applied to find the factors, these are the only prime factors. These are only prime factors. Now, I will teach you how to find all the factors. Very simple, you see here. Now, first you write this, from 1 you can start. Now, in all factors 1 also come. Now, you write all these factors. But you don't have to write the same digit 2 times. All factors you have to write 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2, 3. How many factors are there? 1 and 2 and 3. As you are writing all the factors, no need to write in the form of multiplication also. Okay? So, you just write 1, 2, 3. After that, you multiply these two. 2 2s are 4. Then you multiply these two. 2 3s are 6. Okay? Then, okay, the only 3 are there. Now you multiply these 3 together. 2 you have multiplied. Now all 3 you have to multiply. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So these are the all factors of 12. The next question. Question number 2. Okay, 40. What is this? 40. Let me find all the factors of 40. How to find? Very simple. You divide 40 by 2 because 40, the ones digit is 0. If one's digit is 0, 2, 4, 6, and the number will be divisible by 2. I have already discussed. So 220. First 2 you have to divide 4. I will show you the step. By 2 you divide 4. How many times? 2 2s are 4. And by 2, if you by any number if you divide 0, you have to always divide by 0 times. Okay? If you divide any number, if you divide 0 by any number, then the question always comes 0. Okay? Now it becomes 20. Again 20 should be divisible. It's not the prime number. Okay? Unless you get 1 at the last, keep on dividing. By 2 again. 2 1s are 2. By 2 you have to divide 2 only first. 2 1s are 2. Again by 2 you have to divide 0. 2 0s are 0. Similarly by 2 again 2 5s are 10. Again by 5 5 1s are 5. So let me find first prime factors. Prime factors of 40. These are the prime factors. Okay? 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 5. Okay? These are the prime factors. Now, how to find and all factors? All factors of 40. If you did not understand here, you try to understand very clearly. Okay? If in case of all factors, you always start with 1. After that, write these factors. All. No problem. 1. 2 is 3 times, you have to write only 1 time. In case of all factors, you are going to find all the factors. Means all prime factors and all composite factors. Okay? So 1, 2, after that what is there? 1 is there, 2 is there, after that what is there? 5. Okay? All the separate factors you have to write, all first prime factors you have to write. After that, first you multiply these 2. 2 2s are 4. Then you multiply these 2. Okay? Again it is coming 2 2s are 4. No need to multiply this. Okay? Because 4 is already written, no need to write. Now you multiply these 2. But my point 2 you have to multiply. 2 5s are 10. No problem. 2 multiplied, now 3. You multiply these 3. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Try to understand. Now you multiply these 3. These. 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20. Now you multiply all 4. All. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 5s are 40. So these all are the factors of all type of factors. Means all composite factors and all prime factors. Both the factors have already come here. Okay? This is how we find the factors of any number. How to find the prime factors, how to find the composite factors. You try with the different examples. I will give you some examples also. Find factors of the number. Means you have to try this. Okay? Number 1, 80. Number 2, 20. Number 3, 24, D, 32, E, 36, F, 42, G, 56, H, 64, I, 72, J, 96, K, 84, L, okay, 50, M, 70, M and O. Now you write here 63. This much. Okay, this is your homework.